I'm Bo.
And I'm Joel.
And welcome to yours truly, the podcast.
Yay! Talagang we supply our own.
Tayo na lang po. Kami na lang.
Okay.
Kami na lang. Yes!
Ano naman ang ating pag-uusapan ngayon?
Paano na ngayon ang nangyayari sa mga spa?
Okay. Ang mga spa noon at ang mga spa,
Spa
ngayon.
ngayon. Correct. Kasi marami na palang nagbabago.
Oo.
Tama ba?
Una muna, klaruhin muna natin kung anong klaseng spa,
Spa,
ang pinag-usapan natin. Kasi
Oo.
meron yung The Spa na social-socialan sa Greenbelt dati.
Correct,
Na
okay.
ngayon ay, well, baka nasa Greenbelt pa rin yata yun. Pero yung, di ba, there are legit spas.
But we're not talking about that. We're not interested in that. Pero babalik ka, may storya rin dyan. Anyway,
Pero we're talking about
but
the
massage
spas.
in general, I guess.
Yeah, massage and spas.
Places in general.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But are focused or are entirely for male-only clients. Yeah.
Correct.
Male-only prostitutes.
That too. Okay, so male only.
Mm.
Or, hindi naman male only. Parang caters to also predominantly male. Kasi, or talagang, okay. Again, context kasi, let's talk about masahe previously bago nating i-transplant to today.
Okay. Kasi dati noon, wala pa tong mga... Okay, when we talk about spas nowadays that are catering to a mostly gay clientele, they're the ones like Alpha.
Okay, alpha
intensity? Yes, 27 Sean.
27 Sean and its branches.
And its branches. Diba?
Our Wellness for South.
Yeah, yan.
So lahat yan,
Ang kanilang clientele talaga are really gay men.
correct. Exclusive.
Yes, kasi I don't think you'll have lesbians there.
Yes.
And if there are, I suppose they have a system wherein if there's a straight guy who comes in, yung parang, are you sure?
Actually, jumping the gun, one of the ways by which they filter would be, sir, you're aware that we only have male therapists.
So may mga ganon.
Yeah, di ba?
So yun yung today. Pero yung dati kasi,
Sige. Dati muna,
Oo.
pag gusto mo magpamasahe,
yan. So, meron tinatawag nilang mga massage parlors. Merong massage parlors na meron silang mga female and male masahistas.
Yes.
Hindi pa nga therapist ang tawag
Oo.
doon. Mga masahista, hindi ba? Maalikaya was predominantly female, I think, yung mga
Correct.
therapists. Merong isang massage parlor spa noon sa QC na meron mga babaeng therapist pero meron mga lalaking therapist yun. So yun talaga it caters to a general crowd.
Yes.
But yung meron naka-specific to gay men, those are medyo the kind of dingy, grimy, small hole in the wall kind of massage parlors.
Yes.
Na hindi man lang sila nakalagay massage parlor. Like, ang kilala na dati noon was Datu, Lakan.
Correct. Those are parang I think they're a chain.
Yes,
correct.
na mga massage parlors. Ito yung mga massage parlors na featured in the movie, yung Coco Martin, he was a masahista doon.
Oo nga pala. Ano ba yun? Sige, lalabas na lang yan.
So, ano siya, yung mga masahista nila doon, minsan hindi marunong magmasahe talaga eh. Yung medyo ganun-ganun lang and then go na to extra
Correct.
service yun.
Gusto ko lang ipasok yung evolution na kasi even siguro mga 50s, 60s, pag sinabi mong massage parlor, especially in the straight context, parang iniisip ng mga ang nangyayari doon, may nangyayari with the female therapist.
Yeah, in other words,
diba?
parang a straight guy, whether married or not, can get his kicks
Yes.
with the female therapist.
Yeah. And I just wanted to mention na actually here in my street, dito, malapit sa bahay ko, there used to be a massage parlor na ganyan.
Ngayon yung mga nuns?
na-bless na sila. Oh my God! De, pero seriously, ang pangalan niya, The Pelican. And it was, di ba?
Pelican.
And it was really bakit alam ko? Kasi there was a time na raid yung place na yan. Tapos famously, pinag-uusapan na nagtatakbuhan yung mga babae, na nakatowel lang. Yan. So,
Puro female therapist.
puro female therapist, and it's really for straight men. So, massage parlors in that sense has always had that image, reputation.
That reputation, that very sleazy.
Sleazy. Parang a front for prostitution. Kaya nga nire-raid sila. Okay.
Yes.
So eventually, nagkaroon ng version na syempre, pang bading.
Oo.
Yan. So yun yung binabanggit ngayon ni McVie na mga, actually, sa pag-term namin doon, mga spakol.
Kasi spa na may
Jackal. Correct. Talagang alam mong may happy ending or may extra service. And the way it looks, it's not a very big place. Tapos para bang ding-ding lang ang pagitan.
Hindi, at saka, di ba, pagpasok mo muna,
May reception.
May reception, tapos meron kang
Salamin.
fishbowl.
Oh, yeah. Aquarium.
Aquarium pala, sorry yun. Meron salamin, tapos behind it, ipapahilera yung mga
male
masahista.
therapist. Mamumili ka. Number 1, number 2.
Wala pa nga yung term na male therapist, di ba? Mga
Correct.
masahista.
Masahista,
Tapos,
correct.
yun, ikaw mamimili na parang, ay, gusto ko si ganyan.
Yeah.
And
then you're led to a hall kasi talagang ipinagkakasya nila as many beds as possible.
Imagine mo siguro yung mga yun parang apartment lang, yung from apartment na ginawa nilang
Converted into
a spa.
At spa.
Sorry,
A massage place.
parlor.
Tapos nga, minsan, ang pagitan lang, curtains. Tapos sa floor lang, may mat. Yan. So, again, those were the places where you can at least get your rocks off.
Yeah. But eventually, meron mga kasi by that time, so while there's that very sleazy part of the industry, meron naman yung mga legit spas.
Yes.
Including Wensha, I suppose.
Yun.
Na Wensha was also pang family pa nga yun, di ba? Oo. But,
Sama mo yung anak mo.
but,
Pero separate yung male and female.
yes.
Yan.
And eventually, alam mo naman ng mga bading, minsan, di ba, minsan may...
Especially kung may wet area.
Oo.
Yun.
Kasi I remember going to a massage parlor na mixed, no? I mean, when I say mixed co-ed.
So, spa na yan, actually.
Spa, oo.
Spa na.
So, separate yung wet area ng guys, di ba?
Exactly.
Versus wet area ng girls. So, doon, pwede ka na ngayon parang mag-aura-aura.
Oo.
Like the way we talk, yung di ba kung kunwari daw sa mga fitness first?
Yes.
Sa mga
yung binanggit namin dun sa outdoor fun.
outdoor fam yun.
Yeah, dun
So,
sa mga sauna at saka steam room of those places, may mga ganap rin.
Oo, na mas careful ka lang kasi nga baka may stray.
Baka straight yung ginaganapan mo.
Yeah, oo.
Correct.
So I guess some entrepreneur decided na, wait, what if we just marry the old school na dingy, pero gawin natin, i-upgrade natin yung
Correct.
facilities, i-upgrade natin yung mga therapists, i-upgrade natin yung look, but meron pa rin, and then tanggalin na natin yung mga babae.
Totally wala na babae. Actually, it's not really very entrepreneurial kasi matagal na sa Bangkok ganyan.
Pero sa Pilipinas, wala.
Pero sa Pilipinas wala. So finally somebody, I guess, brought it here. Brought it to the shores.
Na gawin nga natin yung ginagawa ng
May
Bangkok.
pagka-premium ang experience. It's still a spa and they'll give you nice, clean, wet floor areas.
Yeah, and then yung mga lalaki, both the clients and also the therapists. In fact, I think ang unang kilala kong ganyan was yung spa ng ating friend.
Correct, yes. May wet area ba si Hilom?
Yeah, wala.
Si
So,
Hilom.
Hilom,
Yeah.
at that time, wala siyang wet area.
Yes.
But kasi,
So it's closer to the
old school.
to the old
to the old
to the
school.
spakol.
Kaya lang ginandahan yung
Correct, yan.
yung what's this, the
The interiors, the facilities,
Tapos,
correct.
Tapos ang ginawa ni, ni Tony was yung aming friend, the owner of the ano. He made sure that the therapists were really legit, kaya nilang magbigay ng
Correct.
honest
Well-trained.
to goodness, honest to goodness massage. But they are also well-trained in that
In the art
the other extra service. In fact, ang kanyang come-on sa mga therapist niya is, dapat it will work to your favor if malandi mo yung iyong kliyente. Kasi you'll get extra service,
Yeah.
you'll get extra money.
And actually, the way he structured pa, yung pay, the pay structure that he implemented is also, I think, if I remember correctly, very Bangkok-based, parang very Thai. Meaning, yung may kamahalan siya. Hindi siya kasing mura nung mga spakol na
Yes,
we were talking about.
para medyo ma-elevate, di ba?
Na marami sa Kamyas at Kamuning. Actually, meron pa rin sila.
Yes.
Meron pa rin yan. That still exists. Pero tinaas niya kasi nga, supposedly, everything in. Wala nang tawaran, walang bulong-bulong ni therapist, kung gusto mo ng happy ending or extra, etc. He bundled it. Kaya, wala ka nang, it's supposedly a total experience.
Yeah, so pag papunta mo doon, alam mo talaga na what you're getting
Oh,
into.
yes. Yan. And again, all male therapists. But even as that existed and that did pretty well, yun nga, naging popular rin yung mga mixed spa. Tulad ng Wensha, City Lifestyle.
Ayun, doon ako nakapunta sa City Lifestyle. Sa ano yun, di ba? Sa Circle?
Correct.
Oh.
Sa ano to, Timog Corner mo na to.
Yes.
Correct. New York. There was a time, New York.
In fact, sorry, natandaan ko lang. First time ako pumunta sa City Lifestyle, kasi my friend who's a female said, masakit yung likod mo. Meron ditong female therapist doon na matanda-tanda na raw. Tapos, because mabigat yung kanyang kamay. So, if you want yung honest to
Sa
goodness.
City Lifestyle.
Yeah, so honest to goodness nga naman ako just for my back. Tapos hindi ko pa alam na meron pa lang until I got to the wet area.
Yun.
And then when I went to the wet area, parang, oh, okay.
May nangyayari pala.
parang fitness first, here we go.
Actually, doon ka naman mabibilib sa mga bading, di ba, sa Bex na, okay, nakita
You
nila.
put me anywhere?
Oh, I will thrive. I'll be able to do something about it. And we did. We claimed that. Kaya even when you mentioned the spa, because the spa, yung binanggit niya, di ba?
Yung premium.
The premium. The spa in Acropolis is also hiwalay yung male and female. And may ganap rin na nangyayari. Yes!
Oh.
So, and this was actually 90s to 2000s. Yan ang mga puntahan.
Oo.
Oo.
And I think, correct me lang if I'm wrong, pero ang impression ko kasi was because of the pandemic, tapos after the pandemic, nung nagbukas na ulit, I think some of the spas that, parang siguro naisip nila na yung mixed spa, what if we just, because they know that there's something happening naman.
Correct. Alam nga, aminin na natin. And
meron
kumikita sila. Actually, eventually, marami sa kanilang clients, puro mga bading.
So, isa na lang ang wet area.
Correct.
Puro lalaki na lang. Wala na yung mga babae. And then, maganda pa rin. Pero ito yung, I guess, the genius of it was because dati noon, yung therapist pwede magbigay ng extra service, di ba? So, yun pwedeng ma-raid.
Correct.
Kasi, yung employees ng mismong spa are engaging in
Correct.
in sexual paid sex work.
Yeah.
Ang ginawa nila yata is they forbade
Yes.
the therapist to give extra service. So ang mangyayari, yung mga clients lang in the wet room on their own. So labas ang management, labas ang spa.
Which became parang hybrid bathhouse.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh,
So,
ang bathhouse, like club bath, and
and Fahrenheit,
the late lamented Fahrenheit. Yun. Ano
which is
naman,
coming back. Okay. Yes! Okay. Magbabalik na raw siya. Okay, anyway.
pero yun, ang bathhouse kasi talaga, wala namang mga masahista.
Walang
Walang
masahista.
mga male therapists. It's just basically a big wet
area.
And
Yeah.
rooms where you can go.
Yes, and fun rooms. And some of them would have bars, lounges, where you can...
oo. Meron pang gym,
May-
equipment na pa.
Correct. But that was really a bathhouse. So, parang minary na, naging hybrid na.
Yes.
And I think nag-click sa mga bading yun. Kasi, like 27...
Ang dami ng mga
Correct. They're doing very well, They're raking it in. Because nagkaroon din sila ng tier na you can actually go in simply for the wet floors. Maski hindi ka mag-massage.
Yeah,
So, para bathhouse.
Ako, I'm not a fan of masahe. So, I would rather that I just go straight to the wet area.
Yeah. So, yun yung, that is what is now the scene.
Yes.
Okay. And it looks like it's doing, yeah.
So, to be honest, I've only been to 2 lang yata. So, 27 Shaw and then the Alpha in, yung the older, it's a QC. Kasi meron sa Pasay eh.
Yeah.
Yung sa
Morato rin.
Sa Morato
rin
yun.
yan. Oh, correct. Yeah.
In fact, when I went to Alpha for the first time, may renovation. So there were areas na I think closed, but at least the wet area wasn't.
How was your experience with both?
Reminiscent of bathhouses because I was stayed lang in the wet area. Hindi na ako nagpamasahe. So okay naman siya. Ang na-miss ko lang is with Club Bath and Fahrenheit, there were rooms where you can actually be horizontal. Dito kasi medyo tayo-tayuan, ganyan.
Correct.
Diba? So,
May pagka-furtive sex in a shower. In the showers. Yeah.
Especially mga varsity showers. Ayan. And
Which,
then,
ano yung sabihin raw ng varsity showers before lalagyan mo ng ano yan?
so may mga yung shower area na
Common.
puro shower heads lang tapos
Walang
common,
partitions.
walang partition. Yun. So that's called a varsity shower.
Yeah.
So and then 27 show rin, I kasi medyo bugo-bugo yung 27 show when I went there, unlike yung sa Alpha.
Oh.
Na may nagre-renovate. So I really like the place.
Yes.
And
Ganda
also
ng interiors.
yeah, and then also the crowd rin kasi I think mas friendly sa mga bears.
Yun,
Ano,
okay. Now we'll talk about that. Okay.
Kaya na-notice ko nga yung the difference in the clientele.
Clientele. Okay.
Although hindi na ako nabalik sa Alpha sa Morato
Kasi
may nagkwento, may nakita ko sa sa X thread yata yun eh. And then people were identifying it as Alpha Morato. Yung sa varsity area na shower, di mo madilim yun. Meron daw sa dulo noon, meron nakakita ng yung pulang mata. So, may multo.
oh my God! May multong bakla.
So, meron daw, yung as in, nafe-feel daw nila na parang meron.
May presence.
May presence.
Yeah!
Meron dalawang pulang mata na nandoon. So, ako naman, hindi actually.
First time for me to hear this.
Ako hindi.
I am shocked!
Hindi ako takutin. Pero sabi ko parang, well, since mas matanda naman ako, hindi ba? At mas crowd ko yung 27 show, mas gusto ko na mag-27 show na lang kaysa sa Alpha. So, hindi na ako nabalik doon.
Pero, masasabi mo ba na, well, you got lucky in 27 show also in terms of ganap-ganap?
Both.
For both. Okay. I haven't been to Alpha. The reason why I'm bringing it up is because, going back to the fact that we are seniors already, para bang,
Meron tayong discount pagpunta natin.
actually, true, technically pwede. Pero I don't know if it will work to our advantage to declare that we are seniors.
Sa ano lang naman eh. Sa reception lang naman at pagbayad.
Sa bagay.
Kasi hindi naman pagpasok mo doon, meron ba nakalagay doon na I'm a senior citizen?
Hindi, sasabihin, oh, may senior na pasok! Ma'am, pa-void!
Ma'am, pa-discount!
Discount po! Diyos ko, Jollibee. But anyway, kasi para bang, the reason why I'm mentioning that is because of the reputation of some of those.
The reputation ng spas.
There are some spas na nagiging highly selective when it comes to choosing their clients.
I heard one particular spa daw that was very, shall we say,
discriminatory, yes. So, I tried that one
okay.
spa.
You're in.
Yeah, may profiling. Titignan ka mula ulo hanggang paa.
Shante, you stay. Sashay away.
definitely, of course, I've been also to 27 Show, and I love 27 Show, T by 27 Show. Lately, nasubukan ko na yan, B by 27 Show. Tatlo na sila.
Meron top at meron bottom.
Exactly.
Show. Okay.
Pero syempre, Timog at saka Burgos lang ibig sabihin ng T at B, ha?
Okay, walang V.
Actually, magkahanap tayo. Siguro sa sa nila na lang yan, sa Valenzuela, Bulacan.
Pero what if may isa doon or more than one na talagang ang hanap ay Zaddy?
Zaddy.
Yung mga mayaman, di naman lahat puro borta. Hindi ba meron din siya mga matataba? Kasi nga, kain sila ng kain, di ba? So, di ba? So
So inappropriate. Politically incorrect.